Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include heated mirrors, keyless ignition, MP3, steering wheel controls, technology package. You are going to love the 2022 Rio. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires, rear all-season, remote trunk release, front-wheel drive, tires, front all-season, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.